dog's gonna go home and hit the hay. Yay.
Good one. Now you know when you're to go.
That's right.
Yeah.
Oh, look,
Ready to clock out.
Sweet gig.
Yeah.
Working half day.
Right? 3 hours a day, 3 days a week.
Nice.
Full medical benefits. The chiropractor.
Aw.
He does have it all.
You get massage.
We actually did have a couple of cast members who were certified in horse massage therapy, but they're no longer with us right now. So yeah, on and off. But the chiropractor's great because he'll come out and do you and your horse. Yes,
Really?
yeah, because you see he does both animal and human.
That's amazing. When Bug is on his days off, does he have like a space to run?
Yeah, so we have a 5-acre facility out in Norco. They stay here for 3 days and they're out in the Norco the rest of the week. And then we have large turnouts for them, and then they have a group that they get turned out with so they can like buck and kick and play with each other.
Does he get to hang out with the retired Big Thunder goats?
The retired Big Thunder goats are actually on a farm in Marietta.
Uh-huh.
So they all retired together, which is nice, but you know they retired to a private family farm.
Oh, okay. Do they send postcards or mail?
They actually do. They email us quite often.
They should get to come visit the park every so often. Walk around, go on the ride.
The really nice thing is the family invites us to come out every so often. Unfortunately, though, the saddest news we got was one was bitten by a rattlesnake. So we lost one. But it's funny is the owner got a. It was Lilo.
Oh no.
It was Lilo. But like the guy who took him has a Pongo tattoo now.
Wow. I'm glad you get goat updates though.
Huh?
Makes me happy that you get goat updates.
Yeah, we do always have there like once a year around Christmas or something. It's very sweet. Watch the edge here, folks, coming your way.
We're leaving.
How about? Do you want me to